Hi, welcome again to my channel. This time we are going to install Adobe ColdFusion 9, an open application server from Adobe, into Rocky Linux 9, that is the current version of Red Hat compatible Linux operating system. For your information, this script will install Adobe ColdFusion 9 and link to Apache web server on Rocky Linux 9 that has SELinux security enabled. This video will explain and only to demonstrate that it can be done using our script from this GitHub repo, at least up until when I recorded this video. I do not encourage you to install an old application server like this ColdFusion 9 at this day. There are more updated applications from Adobe, or a free alternative version like Lucy, which are more stable than this old application server. Okay then, let's just continue. First, let's open the GitHub repo. You can copy them from the video description below. As you can see here, we already have the instruction on how to install. That is to get the script here with the file. And then we are going to be a sudo account. Then we flag the script as executable. Run the script. And then we can take the starter sheet and continue with the configuration here. So it should be simple to install here. We just need to get the script here to our server. And to do that, we are going to power up our server, that is a virtual machine inside a Hyper-V. If you don't have a server yet, you can check my previous video on how to install Rocky Linux 9 as a virtual machine in Microsoft Hyper-V. We are going to access the server via PuTTY, but we need to know the IP address of the server first. Let's just wait for a moment until the server is ready. Okay, now let's log into our server using our scraper user and the password. Okay, let's check the IP address. Here it is. As you can see here. Now just log out from the server. And let's open PuTTY. Let's just scraper here and change the IP address. And hit open. Okay, we are in. Let's just take our IP again. Yes. So the access to the server is ready. And let's just download the script. Let me open the file here. This is the file, the script. Let's just hit route here. And we copy the link. So we can paste it to download the script. Get back to our server and just go to download the script. Put that big O and paste the link we have copied before. Hit enter. Now we have the script. The first step is done. Now let's see what is the next step. Okay. Let's go back again. And see, that is to be a sudo account. But just do it and be a sudo account. Then use sudo bash here. Okay, what's this? The next is to set the script as executable. But let's just view what inside the script first. Okay, here in the script, Let's maximize the window. First, we are going to install several packages needed for the installation. Then we download the installer from Adobe and flag it as executable. We also need to download this library to open the installer. I need to download it from the archive.org website here. Because the original library is now gone, VBS CentOS 7 is on now also end of life. Then we install the package from the RPM, enable HTTPD, and some required step here. And then we create a text file here called installer.properties. This is the parameter that we are going to use to install. I'm using a license as developer niche, and you can also use the serial number. Just remove the comment, or otherwise let this comment this. This is your default web server directories, and let's just leave it in. And this is the installation format for the file of ColdFusion 9, and this is username and password. We put as this install the properties, and we will use it as a parameter in our installer. And after the installation has run, we are going to do a little patch. That is to replace a specific string so it can work with the Apache 2.4 that is installed in Rocket Linux 9. I get it from here. This is what we need to do. We are going to implement this part in our installation. This is needed so it can be compatible to the Apache 2.4 here. So after we're doing the patch, we are going to start the ColdFusion here. And next we are going to link the ColdFusion to the Apache. The next line is to set the ColdFusion conbook. Next we open the HTTP service on firewall. And we are doing some flag to our file. And this nobody here is the phone user from the ColdFusion. It should be stated on the installer property, but didn't find it. Otherwise, we are going to use nobody as the default username for ColdFusion. And this next comment is for SELinux compatibility. And next, we are going to set the power user for ColdFusion logs and also the byte here. And the next command, we are going to restart the ColdFusion. That is going to be fail here. Then we are going to need some SELinux help for him, so the ColdFusion can be run with SELinux enabled. After that, ColdFusion should be start and running with SELinux enabled. So that's it. So that one is the script we'll do to install the ColdFusion. Okay, now let's run the script. Let's see what's next. Okay, that is to set the script as executable. We will do just that. Copy and paste it. And run. Hit enter. Done. And next we execute the script. Okay, we are begin to run the command here. Before that, let's just clear our desktop here first. Okay, then let's run the command. Yes, it's running. Let's maximize the screen here. It's installing the package. And then we download the ColdFusion installer. Then we download the library needed to run the installer. Installing the library here. And now the ColdFusion installer is running with our installer properties file. So it be a silent mode installation. Let's just fast forward the installation. And next will be patching the ColdFusion and connect it to the Apache 2.4. Get down the warning here, cause we have already enabled the HTTP daemon. And soon we are going to restart the ColdFusion, and it should be failed. So then we can install the SELinux helper and let them make our ColdFusion to be compliant to SELinux. The installation should be finished now. Yes, it is finished. Let's check the status for ColdFusion. Let's check with systemctl status ColdFusion _9. Okay. Oops. Repeat again. Okay. It's enabled and started. Next, how about our Apache web server? Is it okay? Let's check. Okay. Up and running. So the installation is successful. After that, let's check what's to do next in our instruction. Okay, then it's to open the ColdFusion administrator page. We need our IP address here because the one in instruction is local IP address, but we are going to open it through a different machine, so we need the IP address of the server. Let's just type the link here, /finde/index.cfm. Okay. It should be right. Okay. It is right. Hit enter and yes, it is right. We need the password for our ColdFusion server. Let's open the installer script again to check the password. Okay. In the install properties. Okay, this is the password, not including number code at the end. Let's use it here. Okay. This will be success. Setup is complete. Okay, our installation is looking good here. Let's try opening some of the setting here. Okay. It should be okay. Okay, looks good. This ColdFusion 9 is up and running inside Rocky Linux 9 operating system now. Let's just log out from the administrator page. And next we are going to create a test file that is to check whether our ColdFusion can operate normally. Let's just use nano here and create like server.cfm here. Okay, we are going to use some ColdFusion language here. CF output. Let's just use CF dump here. It's like file dump in PHP. We are going to dump the server variable. Okay, just like that, we save it and paste it nano. Let's check the file. Is it here? Yes, it is. And let's try it in our browser. Server.cfm. Okay. Yes, it is up and running. So everything is gone. I don't know for how much longer ColdFusion 9 can be installed in the recent Linux operating system. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to this channel if you like. Thank you very much. Bye.